Hello children, today we are going to learn the name of some birds. We see birds all around us. Now let's start. Owl, owl. Eagle, eagle. Flamingo, flamingo. Hummingbird, hummingbird. Pigeon, pigeon. Crow, crow. Macaw, macaw. Parrot, parrot. Sparrow, sparrow. Hen, hen. Emu, emu. Duck, duck. Kiwi, kiwi. Penguin, penguin. Ostrich, ostrich. Peahen, peahen. Learn the name of the birds. Thank you.